Hi everyone, welcome back to PRAKASAM tutorials. In this video, I am going to discuss about mean square value and variance of the random process using autocorrelation function of the random process x of t properties. Using properties of autocorrelation function, we can determine mean square and variance of the random process. The example is the autocorrelation function of a stationary random process x of t is given by Rxx of tau is equal 36 plus 16 by 1 plus 8 tau square. Find the mean square and variance of the process. So given that, coming to the solution, given that the random process x of t is the autocorrelation function of the random process x of t is Rxx of tau is equal 36 plus 16 by 1 plus 8 tau square. We know that from the properties of autocorrelation function, since the random process x of t is not a stationary random process, not a periodic component, expectation of x of t whole square or expectation of x of t whole square or x bar of t whole square is equal limit tau tends to infinity Rxx of tau. So now here from the given data Rxx of tau is this one. So in this equation substitute tau is equal to infinity. We get expectation of x of t whole square is equal limit tau tends to infinity substitute Rxx of tau value 36 plus 16 by 1 plus 8 tau square. Now substitute tau value. So tau value is infinity. So infinity square is infinity. 1 plus infinity is infinity and constant by infinity is 0. So therefore expectation of x of t whole square is 36 and expectation of x of t is equal to 6. And this is the mean of the random process. X bar is equal to 6 is the mean of the random process value. And next find out mean square value. So we know that using properties of autocorrelation function, expectation of x square of t is Rxx of 0. In the given Rxx of tau, substitute tau is equal to 0, we get expectation of x square of t value. So given that what is the autocorrelation function? 36 plus 16 by 1 plus 8 tau square. Now here the tau is equal to 0. Substitute tau is equal to 0. Tau square is 0 square is 0. 8 into 0 0. 1 plus 0 1. 16 by 1 is 1. So therefore 36 plus 16 is 52. So expectation of x square of t is the mean square value of the random process and its value is 52. Next find out variance of the random process. We know that variance of x of t is equal expectation of x square of t minus expectation of x of t whole square. Here expectation of x square of t value is calculated and it is the 52. Expectation of x of t value is calculated and its value is 6. 6 square is 36. 52 minus 36 is 16.